Hi guys, Miss Hallett here. It is Wednesday and we're going to go over two more of your choices for your Plight of the Polar Bear project. Okay, so today we're talking about two really creative choices. The first one is a poster. A poster is a large printed picture used for decoration and or information. Use a poster to depict the effects of climate change on the polar bear. Now this poster does not have anything to do with the polar bear or climate change. This had to do with how old is your heart. I just wanted to show that you can combine pictures with information on a nice big poster. And you can do this two ways. Well, there's more ways. And if you have a creative idea, you can ask your teacher. But the two ways that I was thinking of was Google Draw or a big poster that you can write on and color and make beautiful. Okay, so you would just have to make sure all your information was on a big poster and colored nicely and following the rubric and answering all 5 of those questions. Okay, so then you're going to think about today, what do you think about doing this project? List at least 2 pros and 2 cons for this project that you learned about, then circle your interest. Okay, sometimes the most creative projects are the most challenging because you have to explain these projects, you guys. They can't just be, here's my poster. You have to explain it. You have to be able to explain it. Okay, so the second project choice today is artwork. Art is the expression or application of human creative skill and imagination, typically in a visual form such as a painting or a drawing or a sculpture. Use your creative skill to show the effects that climate change have on the polar bear. Okay, so for this artwork choice, you can draw a beautiful picture. I thought this picture, I believe it is in watercolors. It's or a mixture of mediums. It is beautiful, and I really love it. So you could do something like very artistic and abstract, but you have to be able to explain it. So when you get up in front of your class or you get up in front of the community, you can show your poster and explain how it relates to the connection of climate change and the polar bears. Okay. Another idea over here, if you look over here, is you could make a sculpture or a painting. There's lots of things that you can do with artwork. If you want to do artwork, that is totally up to you and very creative and imaginative, but remember, you need to be able to explain it. Okay. So what did you think about doing this project? List at least 2 pros and 2 cons for the project you learned about, and then circle your interest. Maybe art really interests you and you're like, yes, I'm really interested in doing this project, or no way, I could never explain my abstract art. It all comes from up here. I mean, it's really totally up to you. All right, guys. Well, I hope this was informative. And as always, if you have any questions, please ask so we can answer your questions and you have a full understanding about what's going on. All right, guys. Have a great day. See you soon.